How to increase transfer limit on Mettle application. To request a transfer or daily payment limit increase on Mettle, you must contact customer support directly through the in-app chat. Mettle currently enforces a standard daily transaction limit up to £10,000 for card payments and general transfers, and any permanent increases to your faster payment limit must be approved by their security team. To request an increase, you want to first go to the Mettle application and you want to go to their help or support section from inside the app. However, if you are using their website, you want to simply come to the official website, and here on the contact us support page, you'll be able to see frequently asked questions as well over here. However, you want to contact the official team over here, you'll be able to do that over here. Be able to see an mail over here. You want to simply copy this mail address and go to your email after that, and on the mail you want to simply explain all your reasonings and make a request for a payment limit increase. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.